welcome back to my channel, Aesthetics with me. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a aesthetically pleasing wavy intro. So without further ado, let's get started. So the apps you're going to need are these four apps: Pocket Video, Video Star, Phonto, and iMovie. So you're first going to want to go into Phonto, select the camera button, plain images, the white one, and for the size, do a iPhone 6s landscape color. Pick a color. What color? This? Yeah, or this. I like this minty color. And use. Then you're just gonna wanna type whatever like your channel name is. And let's do a black. Should we do it in black? Yeah, okay. Or actually, let's do white and a stroke of black. I usually do 10 because I like 10. Okay, then you're gonna wanna, oops, it's not in the middle. Like that kind of doesn't matter, but like it kind of does. Okay, then you're gonna wanna save as PNG. Okay. Then go into iMovie, select the plus button, movie, select that thing that you just saved. When you select the clip, zoom out of it and then do Ken Burns disabled. I'm gonna do like about 4 seconds. Let's just do like 4 seconds. Okay, there we go. 4 seconds. Done. Save video. Just do like the highest, because highest quality of whatever. I don't even know what it's called anymore. Okay, then you're gonna want to go into a video star, press the plus button, edit video, and select what you just created. Make video. Well, I'm literally saying video a lot. Then you're gonna want to press new, re-effect. There is a plus bar. Search wave, and you're gonna want to press this wave one, and you can choose like the speed. Like I'm just gonna do like this much, this arrow, and I like to do right, and you could do how slow or how fast it goes. I like to do like kind of in the middle, and like this much. No, maybe like this much. Okay. Re-effect. And it's going to work. It's magic. Yes, it's magic. Okay. Then you're going to want to press this, send it to camera roll. It's going to just send it to your camera roll. After you do that in Video Star, you are going to want to go onto YouTube and search up green animated stars. Okay, here. This one. I love this one. And there's a download thing, but you have to like get premium. So, yeah. So here's the easiest way. Just screen record it. So, yeah, I'll be back. Okay, okay, so here is the screen recording I did. You're going to want to press edit. Go on to when you are, okay, go on to when there's literally nothing there. Okay, just crop it, and you can, yeah, I have no clue what I was even going to say. Edit this, turn. Okay, just crop everything out except for the green screen, and voila, you just saved a video without doing anything. Okay, then you're gonna want to go into a Pocket Video, press the plus button, YouTube vlog, here, camera roll, recents, select the edited intro you made. Okay, then you're going to press on video sticker, add camera roll, resense the green screen. And done. You're probably like, oh my god, why does it look like that? Zoom in, press mask, green screen. And there you go. There, you can do this with any color. Finish. No, you don't want to add music unless you do. Save to camera roll, okay. Then when you go into your camera roll, it is right there. And that is a aesthetically pleasing wavy star intro. Thank you guys. Bye.